This is one of the reasons why over 95% of traders consistently lose money in the market. One is because they don't know how to actually calculate their risks. They just enter in the market randomly without knowing exactly how much money they are willing to lose on that particular trade. That's the surest way to actually blow your account. So what are you supposed to do as an aspiring, consistently profitable trader? Well, it's very simple. Before you enter any particular trade, ask yourself, how much money am I willing to lose on this particular trade? If you can do that, you'll be able to calculate using a position size calculator and know exactly I'm risking $200 on this particular trade. And if I'm wrong, I'm going to lose this much, right? And I'm completely and utterly okay with losing this money. This is going to completely change your trading because it's going to separate you from how the 95% of traders actually trade, right? The other reason why you should be able to make consistently money in the market is by taking advantage of the current offer that we have right now, which is the best ever. We are giving you guys 70% off our M&F Mastery course, which comes with lifetime mentorship, lifetime signals, and everything. You get one-on-one with me whenever you have questions and all that. All right, so make sure you take advantage of this. It's available only this Easter, so make sure you check the link down in the description or talk to me via Telegram to be able to have access to this. If you can do this, you're going to separate yourself from the 95% of traders who are consistently losing money in the market. So make sure you check the link down in the description and get started right now.